All right. Hi, everyone. Yeah, hi. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, everyone, to the Simple Forex Setup Show, where I will be going through 10 currency pairs and looking at setups for entry on the 4-hour time frame. So, as always, let me share the screen and feel free to pop in any questions you have into the chat, and I will answer as we go along or at the end. Hi, everyone. Hi, Edmund. Hi, Jasmine. Welcome. Hi, Sue. Welcome. All right, first currency pair I'm looking at today is GBPUSD. And here I am looking at long, still looking for that long. Not much has been happening. But on the daily, if we look at, we're currently at that level of support. So I'm not looking to short it in the meantime. I'm looking to wait to see if it does come down for a double bottom to the support level, or if it stays within and the sort of range that it's doing now. Looking to go long from there, but the pullback would be nice. So let's see what happens this week with that. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURUSD. And similarly on this, basically we just have price action going sideways and sideways. So looking for some kind of pullback. Here on the daily, we already have that double bottom, so still looking to go long. But let's see what we, what the price action does. If there is further pullback, great. If it just stays within that range where it is now, then that's also okay. Looking for some kind of reversal to go long. Next currency pair I'm looking at is AUDUSD. Here I'm also looking at a potential long. At the moment, we have that price sort of hovering in the range where it has been before, and it has been there for quite some time. So I'm looking for long opportunities within this area. So either at the bottom of the range, or if there is obviously a breakout above. But at the moment, we're sort of in the middle. So it would be good for price to be a little bit lower, then looking for that reversal at that point. That would be the preferred scenario here. Next currency pair I'm looking at is GBPJPY, and that is currently just going sideways and showing a lot of indecision. We have already bounced twice from that top resistance. So I am looking for short from there, but also the trend is still going upwards. So it could still have a trade going long if we do have the reversal to the bottom of that indecision area where it's at the moment. So I am a little bit undecided, not really sure where this is going to go. I need to see the price action really go to the either top resistance line or the top of the channel where it's currently going for a short or breakthrough of that trend line underneath for short. Otherwise, possibly just a short-term long off the bottom if it comes and does a reversal around here. But yeah, it's a little bit indecisive at the moment. So let's see where it goes in the next couple of days. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURJPY. And EURJPY is currently pushing off that top resistance for the third time with an actual decisive pin bar there. So being at the top, I would be looking to short from there and see, let's see, so looking to short from there and go to the next levels of support, previous levels of support on that one. Next currency pair is USDJPY, and this one is still climbing. So on the daily, we're still in an uptrend. We had a couple of those pullbacks. They're not very big. So if there is a pullback, I would still be looking for the long opportunities on USDJPY. Next currency pair is USDCAD. And here I'm looking for short. So we had that break above the previous resistance at the top of the channel, and I was looking for a reversal to go down. At that point, there was a lot of mess, no real good setup, unfortunately. So just looking for the next pullback and then looking to get in short again at that point. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EURAUD. And EURAUD, I'm looking for short. It's back again around that resistance that has already been there a couple of times. So looking for the price to either go further up and then go short from around that resistance line, maybe another false break like before, or if it goes below that trend line at some point in the future, then there could be a reversal there going short as well. Otherwise, if it just keeps going sideways, might just stay out until we have some decisive price action. Next currency pair I'm looking at is EUROBP, and EURGBP I'm looking for short. The trend is up. We did have that false break at the resistance level, which again has already had a couple of touch points. So now we are again getting quite close into that area. So would look for the price to go there and then reverse at that point, or if it just goes below the previous trend line, that would be a good option as well. So let's see where that is going to end up. The next and last currency pair I'm looking at is GBPCAD. And GBPCAD, I am looking at, I really was looking for the long opportunity there, but that did not really play out. We are at that point of support that has been there quite a long time. We haven't been at this price point for a number of years. We have one close below on the daily. So now looking at, is this going to come back to that level and retest to go short, or is it just going to pop back up and be a false break and go long? So that is the type of price action I'm looking for at the moment here. If it does come back to that level, the horizontal level, and rejects it, then I would be looking for short because it is already underneath there now. If it does pop back above, then obviously looking for a retest and go long from there. All right, that is all the currency pairs. If you have any questions, please feel free to pop them into the chat. And I will pop a link to the Telegram channel in the chat if you want to follow along there with the trades that I take. Here we go. Otherwise, thank you very much for joining me today. And I'll be back again on Wednesday next week at 12 o'clock Singapore time. Thank you and see you then. Bye for now.